Sup? Sup? You gonna be coming to the event? Yeah, but my coils are blown, dude. Bro. Check these out. Whoa. Dude, these are sick. Fortune Auto 500 series coilovers, fully dampening adjustment, the flow digressive technology, 12K, 10K springs. Bro, these are sick. Yeah, bro, they're all yours. Just put them on, run them, let's get to driving. That's the big reveal. I got some Fortune coilovers, and I'm actually doing a partnership with them now. So the guys over at Fortune really hooked me up on these coilovers. I've been running these eBay coilovers. I paid like $400 or $500 for them, and they've just blown, and they just ride terrible, and I get a lot of bounce. So I messaged the dudes at Fortune, and I was talking to them, and they were recommending some spring rates. So I did 12K, 10K spring rates, just because of the aero and for drifting. And but yeah, so they really helped me out over there. So make sure you go give them a follow, check them out, and make sure to buy their coilovers and try them out. That was the big reveal, big secret that we've been doing. But yeah, guys, so that was the big reveal. I'm partnering with Fortune, and we're gonna be running the coils, doing a review video after we do like an event on them. And but yeah, they were super cool, super nice dudes, and I'm really hoping to look forward to working with them more in the future. So yeah, this is just the beginning. So thanks for watching.